In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks tutorial, adding multiple businesses made easy. If you manage more than one business under the same QuickBooks company, there's a simple way to keep everything organized without juggling separate accounts. We'll use QuickBooks Locations feature and relabel it to track each business clearly. This keeps your transactions tidy and your reports easy to read. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to the gear icon in the top right corner. Click that, then choose Account and Settings. This is where you control how QuickBooks behaves behind the scenes. On the left side, go to the Advanced tab. Here you'll find the option for Track Locations. Click to edit this setting and turn it on. This tells QuickBooks you want an extra field on your transactions that identifies which business they belong to. Before you save, change the location label to Business. This small tweak makes a big difference because it replaces the generic location wording with something that matches how you actually work. When you see business on your forms, it'll be immediately clear what you're selecting. Go ahead and click Save, then click Done to lock in those changes. Now, here's the payoff. The next time you create or edit a transaction, like an invoice, expense, bill, or sales receipt, you'll notice a new field that lets you select a business. Use this field to assign the correct business to each transaction. If you're just getting started, you can add a new business from that same dropdown, then reuse it going forward. This is what keeps your books separated at the transaction level, so revenue and expenses are easy to filter later. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. Be consistent with naming. Use clear business names so you never second-guess which one to choose. Make assigning a business part of your routine whenever you enter a transaction. If you skip it, that transaction won't be grouped correctly, and your summaries could be off. And once you've tagged transactions, you can view results by business in your reports, giving you clean visibility into how each one is performing. That's all there is to it. By enabling track locations, relabeling it to business, and selecting a business on each transaction, you create a simple, reliable system for managing multiple businesses in one QuickBooks company. Save your settings, click Done, and you're ready to categorize with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.